Hello everybody, it's Rosie here, and today, for this video, I'm gonna be looking at some Google images of myself. Now, from what Percy told me, he did this kind of video himself, and so did James and Thomas. And well, I've actually decided that I should Google myself. Since I'm on my break, I may as well make the most of it. This is actually a book of me. Yeah, one of the books. Rosie the Little Purple Engine. Yep, that's me, even though I'm, well, red now. I really like this book. I remember back when our books used to look like that. Wow! And we're already getting into some sprites of me. So, yeah. So first on the top there's me in my lavender, well, lavender pink livery. Even though some people refer to me as being lavender, while others think that I'm, well, back when I was pink. Yeah. But now there's me in my cherry red livery. That's me now. And I do like my new coat of paint. Oh, wow! There's some soft, well, plushies of us. There's me, James, Percy, and Thomas. We look really cute. And and just like the children have teddy bears. Wow. And I think plushies are really cute. Don't get me wrong. Yeah. These look really adorable. Right, now let's move on to the next one. Wow, now there's a train's photo of me pulling coal trucks. Wow. Yep, I'm working really hard. Yep. Not only I shunt trucks, but I also pull freight cars as well. Or freight trucks. Depends. Well, yeah. Anyway, let's move on. This looks really cool. Oh, and now here's a photo of me getting repainted into my cherry red livery. Yeah. That's exactly what I look like, getting repainted, even though this is an edit. But it's still pretty nice. Great work to the person who did this edit. Very, very nice. Oh, and here's another train's photo of me. Oh, and there's Lady as well. I'm sleeping in Farquhar sheds, and Lady is watching me. Yup, I can get rather sleepy in the morning sometimes. Yeah, especially when I'm done from a hard day's work. Oh, and this picture actually came from DeviantArt. Pretty nice. I've heard a lot about DeviantArt. You know, maybe I should check out DeviantArt sometime. Wow! And now here's a good looking drawing of me. Wow. The artist that did this did a really good job. And I see that I have the Northwestern logo, well, name on my side tanks, as well as my nameplate. Great job here. Trains and cartoons from DeviantArt. Very nice. Oh, I say. Now that is quite a good collection of me. Oh, this was from YouTube. By the YouTube user Trains Are Fun. Very nice collection you got there. A bunch of models of me. Wow. Pretty cool. I am amazed. Wow. All my variants of merchandise. Again, I'm amazed. Great collection. Wow. And here's another edit of me. This time I'm in my original livery before I came to Sodor. Yep. Me in my original black livery. Yep. Before I was pink, I was indeed black. Yeah, I remember being black, but I'm glad I'm a bright color now. Very nice edit. 736 Berkshire from DeviantArt. Very nice job. And finally, to end off the video, we have a summer collage of me in both of my liveries. My original pink or lavender livery and my cherry red livery, which I am now. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this Google video. I had a good time, but in a few minutes I might have to get back to shunting, or maybe take a train. Anyway, this is Rosie the Little Tank Engine saying goodbye everyone, and have a good day.